Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06 on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. The SS06 error code on Snapchat usually means your account has been banned or temporarily locked. To resolve this, open any web browser. Safari on iPhone works fine. In the browser, search for Snapchat support and go to the official support page. Scroll down and tap on Contact Us. You'll be asked to choose an issue. Select I can't access my account. Then choose a reason that matches your situation. In this case, go with I see an error message when I log in. Once that's selected, Snapchat will ask if your account is locked. Tap Yes. Then select the option that mentions SS06. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. After submitting your request, if the issue continues, return to the support page and go to the community section. From there, tap on Snapchat support again. This process lets you reach out to Snapchat directly, provide all necessary details, and describe your issue clearly in the support form. This helps them understand and process your request faster. So that's basically how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06 on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.